Hello my dear students, how are you? Right now with this video you will be learning about how to use math-help-services.com with your learning. So you all have usernames and passwords. So I'm going to use one of my students' username and password to log in. And once you log in, you'll see some assignments waiting for you, if there is a time to do it. In this example, we have scientific notation and due date is tomorrow and grades are not available. In fact, it is available. I'll show you in a minute. Remedial assignments are here. So if you go down, you see the resources, workbooks, and downloadable assignments and video lessons. They are all there. And if you want to improve your mark because you got a low mark from this website, so you're going to click right over here, improve my grades. Once you click improve my grades, you'll be able to see what marks you got from this website if it's not 100. If you got 100 from one of the assignments, there is nothing to improve. It's not going to be here. But looking at this, I see that I got 3 out of 10 for this assignment, scientific notation. So I can improve this actually. Let's click on create remedial. And it's going to give me the option to take the remedial. You can either click here and take the remedial, or let's go back to my assignments. It will be ready waiting for you at my assignments page. As you can see, remedial assignment, this scientific notation, it was not here before. Now it is there, so we can complete it. So let's do this. Okay. First, I suggest you make the window a little bit bigger. Click here to make the window bigger. And this is the first questions. So there are, I usually prepare 10 questions. You need to answer 10 questions. And as you can see, let's just randomly answer the first one. I cannot submit this assignment. The submit assignment button is in red. I can only submit the assignment if all 10 questions are answered. So far, I answered one of them. And let's just randomly go ahead and give some answers here. So you're going to click on number 2 to go and see the second question. So that's the second question. Let's just choose one. But the thing is, if you know how to answer all of them, you just go ahead and do it. But if you don't know, we'll talk about that soon, okay? There are videos available to help you. You will only see first 5 questions here. But as I mentioned, there are 10 questions. So you need to answer all 10 questions. And now you can either go after 5, you can either go to next or all the way to the end. Let's just answer this and answer that. And 8. I'm almost finished here with this assignment. So probably I'm not gonna get good mark from this. But by the way, take a look. The submit assignment button, now it is in green. All 10 questions are answered. Now you can submit your assignment. So let's click on it. I actually got 0 out of 10. I can see the correct answers here. My answers are on the left and the correct answers are on the right. So I can see what the question as well on all the way left. So I can see while I made a mistake here. But all the correct answers and right answer, my answers and the correct answer, they are all here. Now I'm gonna make this smaller. What I want to do is that I don't like my answer, my score. Therefore, let's make it bigger. I'm gonna create another remedial. Create a remedial. So your remedial has been created. Sometimes I only give 2 remedials to students, so you won't be able to create more than 2 remedials. So it's important you try to get as high points as possible with the first try. If not, learn from your mistakes. Now I have to learn from my mistake because I just got 0. Take the remedial. But you will never get the same questions. It will always be different ones. So now I have a different question. So since I got 0 or 1 or 2 out of 10, that means I don't know about this. So I need help. The video help button here, that's the one that's going to teach you. This is where the learning happens. This is where I need you to spend approximately 30-40 minutes of your time. So let's click on that, and we're going to have a brand new window coming up. There we will see the video help. The videos are the ones that's going to do the teaching to you for this website. And over here, what it's going to do is it's going to
solution to question 9. Written in scientific notation, how many
pause. What it's going to do is it's going to show me a similar question, but I'm not interested in that. I don't want to know just one question. There are 10 questions with different questions actually. So therefore, I'm going to open the video lessons here. Let's click on that. Open the video lessons. This is where the learning happens actually. This is where I need you to spend approximately, hold on, let me bring this here. All right. This is where I need you to spend approximately 30 to 40 minutes. So you need to play the lesson. Play the lesson. This is the longest video here. And looking at it, it takes, let's pause it. It takes good 7 minutes here. 7 minutes video, you are just gonna sit and watch. And then go through the examples. Examples number 1. So click on that, and you're gonna get another video with a different question explaining you how to do this question. So let's see that. I guess my connection is a little bit slow today, but it should play. And
example 1. Write the following number 0.0502 using scientific notation. 0.502. We need to move the decimal.
this is just 30 seconds video.
Right. This means that the exponent on the 10 will be -2. So we move 2 units to the right, gives us 5.02 times 10
Right.
-2.
He's right. All right, that's done. That's how you do it. So that was the first example. You're going to click on the second example and the third example and the fourth and fifth and the sixth. I suggest you watch all the examples, how it's being done. It will prepare you for the questions that you will be facing for the assignments. After you finish listening, now it's time you practice. So this is example 2. Let me pause that. What you need to do is click on there are 10 questions and answers here. Click on the first one. On the Q, A is the answer. Click on the Q to get the question. So
question 1. Write the following number using scientific notation.
So that's the question. What you do is, on piece of paper and pen using pencil, you work on this question. You're going to have your own answer, and then you're going to click on the answer to see the solution if you get it right. If you didn't get it right, the answer will be there. See what the answer, how the answer is being done. That will prepare you for that specific one question. Now you have heard the question. I just click on A, and the answer for the video will be available now. I mean now, yeah.
Solution to question 1. Write the following number using sine
It's just
signal
24 seconds of video. Videos are short here.
We need to move the decimal 5 places to the right.
Yes, what's that? Whatever, I'm gonna pause
This
this.
means that the exponent on the 10
So on the left, there are 10 questions and 10 answers. Yes, you need to go all of them one by one. So that's why I said you need to spend approximately 30-40 minutes, maybe even more than 40 minutes here. This is where the learning happens. Once you are ready, once you feel you learn the content, now let's close it. Now we can go back to our questions and you can start answering those. And then remember to answer all 10 questions and then submit the assignments. It will be available when you answer all 10 of them and you will see your mark. So that's the main idea about how the website MathHub services work here. If you need calculator is there. View the videos. You can see many videos here. Create a remedial. You see, you can create your own remedial. Yes, I just told you I only allow my students to 2 remedials, sometimes 3. But for some reason, if you want to do the 4th one or the 5th one, so you just click here, and process is simple. You just follow the process. It will send me a notification as I am the teacher. So I will give you the access to take the remedial. That's when you can complete your remedial here. So request extension. That's where you request more time to complete your assignments. And you can contact me there. Create a quiz on your own if you like digital textbooks. You can go through digital textbooks here. And my grades. You click on my grades. You'll be able to see what marks you have in term 1, in term 2, and let's go down in term 3. So that's how the website works. I hope this video helps. Bye for now.